Brittany, but everyone calls me Naynay. Today I'm going to be showing you a DIY gaming work setup that I have been working on for the past couple of days. Now this gaming setup workstation is going to focus around Alienware's products, and the purpose of this setup is I wanted to create something that was not only functional for gaming and streaming, but also functional for working when I want to edit videos and I want to work on Google Docs, something that fits into the category or ergonomics, as you would say. And I also wanted to build something that people could replicate themselves at home. But today I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks that I have for my gaming setup and what I'm going to be doing. We're going to go over cable management, what I'm going to be using for that, lighting, we're going to go over aesthetics. I'm also going to show you a few accessories that I got that I feel like definitely make a big improvement to the gaming setup / work setup that make it very functional. But let's check out the products that we're going to be using in this setup. First on our list is Alienware's 34-inch ultra-wide monitor, 2 millisecond response time at 120 hertz. Now, if this isn't enough for you, don't worry, we've got you. Take a look at this. 25-inch, 1 millisecond, 240 hertz. If you're looking for something to game on, then this is definitely it. Now, if you're going to have a workstation and a gaming setup, you're definitely going to need some peripherals. We're going to take a look at a keyboard, mouse, and headset. If you're going to be working from home and playing games, you're definitely going to need a mouse to do that. This is the 610M mouse, and when I unboxed this mouse for the first time, I was very impressed with the build quality and the design. Not only can this mouse be wired, but it can also be wireless. Now, if you're going to be listening to some music, you're going to want to pick up a headset as well. This is the 510H headset, and it is very durable and flexible. The sound quality on it has been amazing. I've been using it for a couple of months now, and it's very flexible, as you can see. And if you're going to be typing, you're definitely going to need a keyboard. Since this is going to be a work and gaming station, I'm going to use two different computers in this setup. I'm going to be using the M17 gaming laptop from Alienware, and I'm also going to be using their desktop PC that is called the Aurora. Now, there's different options that you can get for this PC depending on your budget and affordability. Now, for the rest of the video, I'm going to do a time lapse of the gaming workstation setup because I feel like it'd be here forever if I went over every single detail. So I'm going to show you all the accessories that I got for the desk. I'll show you the lighting, I'll show you the cable management, and then I'll show you the finished product at the end. The desk that I'm going to be using in this gaming setup was sent to me by FlexiSpot. They make those desks that allow you to sit or stand while you're working or gaming, whatever you choose to do. But the wood that came with this desk was a little too wide. I needed something that was thinner and would fit the space that I needed it for. So I went to Lowe's and I had them cut a piece of wood that fit the dimensions that I needed, and then I just put it on top and screwed it in just like you would the other piece. Now, this is a small desk, so we need to make sure that we utilize the space that we have. So I went over to Amazon and I picked up a few accessories that would help us do that. When it comes to a gaming setup, a lot of people like to put their computer on top of their desk, but that takes up a lot of room and it makes your desk feel very cramped. So I found this product on Amazon that is a desk computer mount that goes directly under your desk and you put your PC case inside of it. This is honestly a great way to save space on any desk. The next two accessories that I got was to focus on your gaming accessories. This is a mount for your gaming controller that helps you keep it organized so you can grab it and put it back whenever you're done with it. And then we also needed a headphone stand. And you can have one that sits on the desk, but that takes a lot of room. So I found this one that mounts directly underneath your desk, and it looks pretty cool as well. To save more space for this desk setup, we are going to mount our monitors on this desk mount. This one can fit 3 monitors, but I'm only using it for this setup. I also found this electric socket that you can screw directly into your desk, and you can charge your phone or your tablet, whatever you decide to, and it looks great. For lighting, I'm going to use the Govee LED light strips. You can change every individual color, I believe every 3rd section, so it creates really cool colors. A great way to get your laptop off your desk is using a laptop stand. I also picked this one up on Amazon, and it's very sleek and modern. Kind of reminds me of a laptop stand for like a MacBook or something. Now let's talk about cable management. A great way to hide cables on your desk when it comes to your keyboard is cut a hole in the mouse pad and then drill a hole directly underneath that in your desk so that you can feed the wires directly through it, and then you can put it in a cable raceway under your desk to go directly to your PC, and then you have no cables on your desk that you have to worry about. Same thing with your mouse if you had a wired mouse. For the rest of the cable management, I'm going to be using these cable raceways to go directly under the desk. You can find these at Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon. You can probably find them on Amazon for a lot cheaper, but I picked mine up from Lowe's. While I was at Lowe's, I also picked up an extra extension cable to mount directly under the desk and some zip ties. Zip ties are going to be your best friend when it comes to cable management. It's time to check out the final product. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Well, that is it, guys. That is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun building this new setup. I'm absolutely in love with it. Tell me what you think down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know. I'm very curious of what you guys have to say. Also, don't forget to like and share and subscribe, because I definitely want to be posting more videos up here for you guys. And as always, thank you for being a part of the neighborhood, and I will catch you in my next video.